Recently, I have seen a bunch of commercials about a new TV show based on the Los Angeles Lakers. This TV show is actually based on another TV show that kind of pushed the limits on the 80s and 90s Lakers. So that actually got me to thinking, could this be an opportunity to make money online? Obviously, the answer is yes. But more importantly, I'm going to put you into the buyer's mind so that we can make even more money online in a variety of ways. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can make money online by other people watching TV shows. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into this. As you can see on the screen here, I have pulled up Legacy, the true story of the LA Lakers, the official trailer by Hulu. This video has received over 5.3 million views and it was just uploaded August 1st. Now, this story, this series, this trailer is in response to a TV show called Winning Time. It kind of satirized the 80s Lakers. It involved Magic Johnson and Pat Riley. It kind of pushed the limits and some people had some negative opinions about it, but this is an incredible opportunity to make some money. And there's a few ways that we're going to make some money with this opportunity. The first thing that we can do, obviously, is we could just create content right on YouTube about the LA Lakers. We could create content about the true story. We could create content about Winning Time. In fact, if we jumped over to a search bar and we just typed in Winning Time like this, the rise of the LA Lakers dynasty, you're going to see that has generated millions of views. And this is probably the low-hanging fruit way to make money. You can see HBO Max, 9 million views. Other Rotten Tomatoes, 96,000 views, 584,000 views from all sorts of people, just simply talking about this movie, this TV show that happened months ago. People wanted to know behind the scenes. They wanted to learn a little bit more about it, and it attracted millions of eyeballs. People were talking about it on sports talk radio, how true it was, how real it was, and so on. And so one of the basic ways, I think the low-hanging fruit way, is to simply just make money with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, unfortunately, with the YouTube Partner Program, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start monetizing. Now, that's the easy way, okay? And so what you could do, the better way, the more profitable way, is to go out and find different companies to partner with for HBO or for Hulu, which is actually the TV network that's going to have this new Lakers TV show. And so there is tons of opportunities to make money. But before we get into that, I want to show you something and help you understand how much money really is out there. I did two searches. One search was where to buy or how to watch and where to watch, okay? And these two searches combined get 20 million views, okay? And people are coming to the internet and they're just typing in how to watch things like Yellowstone, where to watch Yellowstone. Apparently Yellowstone is really popular. Harry Potter, people are asking questions about how to watch their favorite TV show or movie. And what you can do is you can be that answer. You can see that a lot of these questions don't have a lot of competition. Where to watch Spider-Man Homecoming, it's listed as 24 and it gets 22,000 searches per month. So people want to know where to watch Spider-Man. And what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of research and you're going to answer this question. So I'm just going to copy where to watch Spider-Man and I'm going to paste this in right into Google. And I'm also going to paste this into YouTube. You could also do the same thing with TikTok as well. Create content on where to watch different places. So if we close that out like this, we're going to paste this in just like that. And you can see that people are asking this question, where to watch Spider-Man Homecoming. This top result here has 5,000 views from a year ago, 44,000 views from 7 months ago, 10 million views from 5 years ago, all about how to watch, where to watch Spider-Man. And this could be your opportunity to make money. If we jump over to Google, you're going to see that people are answering this question. Disney Plus, that's a hint there. Amazon, justwatch.com. This is going to be a great website to show you that people are actually looking this information up. And more importantly, you can make money from it. So if we look at this, justwatch.com, they're telling you every place that you could watch this, and I'm sure they're making money from this in a few different ways. So what we can do here is I'm actually going to grab the URL for this website and I'm going to paste it in Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid keyword research tool that helps me find these different opportunities. So I'm just going to paste this in real quick and we're going to see all of the different keywords that website that we just found ranks for. So if we paste this in just like this, all right, so if we look at this website here, it is a large website and you can see that they rank for 3.4 million keywords. And they're simply just telling people and showing people where to watch different movies and TV shows. But this is an opportunity to make a very good amount of money, and I'll explain that in just a moment. So what you're going to do, first step, is to go out and figure out what people want to watch and the questions that they're asking, how to watch, where to watch, and you're going to compile a list of different ideas. So if we look at this, justwatch.com, these are all of the different websites or keywords that they're ranking for. You can see some of these are not competitive at all, like Dogma Streaming. Some of these, this Licorice Pizza Streaming, some of these are very non-competitive, and they're ranking for them, and you could do it too. If we look at this one, watch Whiplash, and then you can just do a little bit of research, figure out how to watch these different movies and TV shows, but the opportunity lies in doing the legwork and helping people out. And so these are the different ways that you can make money. If you are starting a blog, you can make money with AdSense. That's going to be the low-hanging fruit. That's not going to pay you that much. If you start a YouTube channel, again, you're going to make money with AdSense. It's not going to pay you the most. But what will pay you the most is you taking the next step and helping people get to their end destination. If, for example, if someone wants to learn how to watch that new Lakers TV show, it's on Hulu, we can go get an affiliate link and put that link in the description of our video or our blog post. As you can see here, you can get paid $20 for referring people over to Hulu, $25, as you can see here. Now you want to make sure that you are vetting these different affiliate offers to make sure that they are not spammy or scammy or anything like that. But you can see that you could simply make money having people sign up, and these people are going to sign up and stick to it, especially if they are interested in the Lakers' new TV show. This is how you can make money, but there's more. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how to make even more money with this different opportunity. And same for Homeland, that TV show that lots of people want to watch. It's available on HBO, and you can see, depending on the country that they live in, you can make $6.50 cost per action. And so you just click on here, figure out exactly what the action is. Some people will just need to sign up for a free trial. So others will need to sign up for a small membership, and you can make $6.50. You can see here, requirements: user needs to fill out the form and provide a valid credit card. Credit card submit flow. $1 or €1 for an entry should be paid. You can see that you can make money to have people just sign up. And this is $6.50 to sign up to something that they're already interested in. They've already expressed interest in that Winning Time TV series, or they've expressed interest in that new Lakers TV show. And you, by taking the next step and helping them out, can pay you just $20 for them to sign up, starting with a free trial. In addition, there's more. Let's say they're signing up, they want to watch a TV show, but it's not available in the US. Netflix does this weird thing where there are TV shows that aren't available in the US, but they're available in Canada. What some websites do is they actually show you how to watch different TV shows. For example, let's say you want to watch Homeland, but Homeland isn't available in the United States. However, you can get what's called a VPN and spoof where your internet address is. And you could actually promote a VPN. There are tons of websites out there that walk people through the steps on how to watch their favorite TV show in different countries. So let's say you're traveling, you're from the United States, but you're traveling to France for vacation, but you want to watch your US TV shows. You could get a VPN to spoof your location to make it seem like you're in the United States. And if you look at this, you can make decent amount of money simply connecting people to a VPN, just showing people how to watch and where to watch. Look at this. So you can receive a pretty good commission if you refer people. It's really easy. There are tons of these VPN affiliate programs that are out there. Oh, but there's more. We could come back over to OfferVault, and we could simply type in TV, and you can see that you could actually make money by people entering in to win different types of TV. So if these people are interested in watching different TV shows, they spend a lot of time in front of their TV. But if we look at this, you can see that you can make $40 just for having people enter to win different contests. They don't even have to buy anything. You could make $40 per subscriber, and you could grab that link and you could put it in the description of your YouTube videos or even your blog posts. Now, again, you want to make sure that you are vetting these different opportunities because your name and your brand is going to be attached to them. But you can see that this is an opportunity to make $40 just to have people sign up. They don't have to buy anything. And if you know that they are looking up information on how to buy or how to watch and where to watch, you know that they are avid TV lovers. But there's more. We could actually make money recommending the best TVs, best 4K TVs. You're not going to get a huge commission from Amazon, but I just like to show you that there is opportunity. And you can actually make money recommending different sound bars. One of the problems with newer TVs is that the audio quality isn't great. However, if you recommend a sound bar, you have the potential to make money. And people do buy sound bars. It's actually one of the blogs that I have, and it still gets traffic and commissions every single day on a teeny tiny soundbar blog. But you can see that this is an opportunity. So just starting off with people interested in this brand new TV show could lead you to making a full-time income online. What you would want to do, I'm just going to run through this real quick again, is you simply want to figure out what people want to watch, where to watch, how to watch, and then you're going to connect that solution to the problem. People are struggling with figuring out how to watch this new TV show, and we're going to help them out. And we could also make money if we wanted to by talking about this TV show. And so what we can do is we can say this is how you watch this brand new TV show. You can click the link in the description and it'll take you right over to Hulu. When they sign up with Hulu, if they don't have Hulu before, you can make, as you can see, $20 for just signing up and watching something that they're already interested in. Then we can also make money with this sweepstakes, have them enter to win a QLED TV and make $40. You can see this actually would work out really well. And it's actually not too difficult because we know that these people are avid TV lovers. In addition, if they are in the US and they want to watch something that's not available in the US, they can make money with different VPNs. You can see that the commission rates are pretty good and they're reoccurring. So as long as they are satisfied, they're going to keep it. And we can make money promoting little things like TVs and sound bars and anything else that they might be interested in. Now, the best way to do this, in my opinion, is to collect email addresses. Because we know that these people are interested in a certain type of TV show, that could be the best opportunity to promote all of these different products and make even more money. This is the best way to make money as an affiliate marketer because you're not constantly trying to scrape and find brand new people to buy your product because you're building this list and you're sending them information on stuff that they already are interested in. If they watch a lot of TV, they're going to want to improve their TV. They're going to want to improve their audio quality. They might want other things to help them, maybe a special chair or love seat that can help them. And as an affiliate, we can provide that opportunity. Now that you know how to make money online with people simply watching TV, click the first link in the description for my free training to show you how to make money online without paid ads, a large following on social media, or a large email list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.